All right, guys, I gotta say it. Headphone users, beware. This shit's crazy. Enjoy.
Oh.
You hear that?
Flashlight out! Flashlight out!
Oh, shit, she's coming, she's coming, she's coming! Stall, bathroom stall. Left, left.
I got the fucking key!
Yo, what is going on, guys? Tension here. Hope you're having a great day. Today, Trent, Cole, and I will be playing Panicore. Panicore is actually a bundled game that came with the Backrooms Escape Together, which is on this series as well. It was definitely a really fun game. I think, honestly, that game was not just fun to play, but also really fun to edit back and look through that gameplay. And even though that game is in beta right now, I'm really looking forward to the other levels that they're going to bring to the series. But honestly, this is a new series that I'm going to bring to my YouTube channel every weekend. Cole, Trent, and I do play horror games, and then moving forward on that following week, I will be uploading that content after I go through and edit the gameplay. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you enjoy these series. And then also comment any recommendations for horror games that you guys would like to see on the channel. Other than that, we're going to jump right into it. So I will see you guys in there. All right.
Alright, I'm ready. Get your tools ready. From where? Ready to go.
That reminds me of Phasmophobia.
Really, I'm knocked unconscious by something unknown.
I got a flashlight.
A flashlight?
Why can I hear an echo?
Yeah,
That's kind of cool.
Your voice echoes on. I don't know how to pull it out. How the fuck did you guys pull that out?
It just auto pulled mouse wheel.
Mouse wheel, yeah.
What the fuck is that?
Is it the radio?
Yeah.
What does it sound like then?
Okay, look at 1 rope, 3 planks equals ladder, which means we can escape.
Oh, I got a chainsaw. Or not a chainsaw. Handsaw.
Guys? Guys?
What? What?
I got a cutter.
I have a saw.
You hear that?
Shh. Flashlight out. Flashlight out. Oh no. Oh no. I'm just a small boy. He's just a small boy from a small Oh no. I'm sorry. No.
Oh my god.
Oh fuck, it's on me! It's on me! No, I'm sorry! I gotta take a shit! Man. Yo, give me a res, bro.
Chris has got a saw out. He's gonna do something with that. Bro looks fucking... He's fucking Hitler with that shit. What are you doing? I think she can hear you talk, Trent. What the fuck?
Oh, why does it look like that?
Looks like a fucking anus.
I'm sorry.
The fuck is it? Yeet.
Shut the fuck up!
I fucking yeeted that bitch.
Need a key. God, was that beans? Nope.
I need a key. You guys both dead? Oh my fucking god, you're both dead. You're both dead. Oh my god, she's coming. Wait, I don't understand what we do when she goes fucking Super Saiyan and wants to kill her.
My fucking ears.
Find 8 files.
No, like, what do we... I just found a file.
What's up? Oh, hey. No.
Nope.
I tell you what, we fucking don't do. We don't fucking go that way.
Look at... Ew. Look, wow. Nope. Go up. You're so loud. Oh shit, you weren't lying. Nope, 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 nope. The key.
You dead?
No, no, no. I got a med kit. I can pick you up. Hold on.
I don't want to pitch. I
Shut
don't
up, shut up.
want.
You just have to be quiet. I know how to win this.
I didn't want up.
Follow me. I got a hammer. No, listen. I got a hammer. We go downstairs. We can break. There's like a glass thing on the wall, and it has a key in it. We can open a door. Hopefully, we can get a med kit, and we can pick up Trent.
Fuck Trent.
Alright, you know what?
I go get the key.
I got the fucking key. I got the fucking key. I got the fucking key. That's the wrong key.
Nice lady. Got the key.
Nah, bitch. Nah. Run. Run. Yeah, run. I would
Bathroom
run.
stall. Bathroom stall. Bathroom stall. Left. Left. Oh shit! Wait. Oh, I had a key, but I guess there's like only certain keys for certain doors.
You know?
Hey.
Oh, there's another place for a key. A saw. Ooh, another key.
You got us. Coming, guys.
Trent have medkits.
I have one.
Shush.
Hit her with the brick. I'll hit her with the brick. He's coming in full force now. I got her. I got her. Hit her with the brick. Go, 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 go.
Ah, hell no.
I got another brick. I got another brick. I can't prepare. Where's your head? That's not you.
I'll come back.
Oh shit! Hi. Give me a brick.
Got wood.
I got motor oil. For a car.
Got a car jack.
There's. Coming. She's coming. Locked. Wait, you have a key?
Yeah. Stop running. Stop running.
Oh.
You're a bitch. You're a bitch. Racist bitch.
Nope. Grab your stuff.
Oh, what the fuck?
Grab your stuff. Come on. Got a hammer.
Ethan, find the fucking glass and break it. You got the hammer, don't you?
I can't find any. I've been looking forever.
For what?
A fucking like
Fucking glass.
yeah, like glass on the wall you can break for a key. Guys, I got it.
Na,
Cut
na,
it.
na, 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 na. Na, 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 na.
Oh, I shorted it with the butter knife.
I have a butter nut or cutter. What the fuck?
Yeah, me too.
Guys, I have a last plank.
I dropped a plank earlier.
I found one. I have it.
We have 3?
Yeah, I already cut up the other. No, come.
Oh, she's coming. She's coming. Go, 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 go.
I have the ladder.
Wake it out.
Well, yeah, she's kind of being a bitch.
Found
So
it. I
if
found a
you
key.
oh
I found a
fuck,
key.
oh fuck, I almost went the wrong way.
Emergency door key. I found it. I got the emergency door key. Come here.
Where'd she go,
Right here.
bro?
Come here. Come here. Come here. I got it.
Hey, get in that bitch.
Run.
Oh, she's running eastbound down. I'm loaded up and trucking. We're gonna do what they said can't be done. Going down to the first floor.
I know you're training her good. Just up the ladder. Thanks.
Eastbound down. We're loaded up. She actually is like my puppy dog at this point, but instead of a fade, she got a whoopa chucky. Okay, this is karma. This is what I get. It's karma. I'm gonna die. I'm actually gonna die now.
I escaped. I escaped. I escaped. I escaped.
Okay.
Right there. Go in there. And then go up the ladder. Go up that ladder. Left. Go straight. Right there. Go up it. Nice. This is cool.
Motherfucker! That's what I get for shit talking her.
Where's Cole?
Oh, no.
Let's go up, Trap. You with me? I hear a little girl singing.
Bro, I got a key.
Oh,
Yeah, behind you.
yeah.
I got a key.
Alright.
A key card. I got the yellow key card.
I think I'm above you.
Oh, I know where to use that. Come on.
God, you fucking loud as shit.
Yeah, can you not scream? Wait, it says 5306 on the board. Remember 5306?
Come here, come here.
Yeah, you're above us, Ethan, I'm pretty sure.
Lights? I'm scared. Nope, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope.
No. Oh, she wants to peg us.
Both dead?
It's not me.
You okay?
Yeah.
Dude, I heard you opening drawers and I thought I was fucking tripping.
I have a med kit.
Me too.
Run. No, run.
There's a bathroom. shit! The door. The door. Oh, yeah. Oh shit! She's coming! She's coming! She's coming!
Oh, he dead.
I can't see.
Dude, she pops up on your screen. That's scary as fuck. Oh my god.
Oh, the door's...
I didn't have a flashlight. I couldn't see shit.
Oh, this one's freaky. This one's a lot more creepy than the other one. I'm gonna have problems sleeping, dude. That's creepy. It's whispering, "I'm coming for you," and breaking shit.
Fuck! Oh, fuck!
This one's so much scarier, bro.
That was fucked up.
This one is so much scarier.
Bro, I jumped so fucking hard.
Yeah, this one's 1,000 times scarier than the other one was. Dude, there was a dude whispering, "I'm coming for you," and just breaking everything around me. I was like, what the fuck? I don't like this one.
It was scary.
Oh, we're fucked. We're dead.
We're all in here.
I got $20 from there. I got a key.
Nice. Lock one of these fucking rooms. Okay, let's go. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Get the fuck off me. Get the fuck off me. I will fight you. I will fight you. Got it. I don't know what I middle.
You unlocked a room?
Yeah, I got 2 keys. It's a med kit.
The giant's coming! My guy.
I have a med kit.
Me too. Gotta go. We gotta go. I'm dead here. I'm dead. Just run. She's coming. She's behind you.
My med kit wasn't working.
This one's so hard, dude. God, it's
Yeah.
creepy as fuck. Why is this
Fucking
one so
kicked.
scary? Another med kit in here. I have another key.
Where'd Trenton go?
I don't know, but I have a fuse and 3 med kits. Trent needs to take one of these so I can take the crowbar.
Just drop him. I have 2. You have a key, Ethan?
Yeah, yeah.
Over here.
I have yellow key card.
I also need to find the code. It was on a whiteboard last time.
Key. Got a key. Insert key card.
This is green for green.
Key card. Yeah.
Someone should stay outside so we don't all get trapped.
Alright, come here. Got another key.
Guys, I hear singing.
You're cooked.
Guys, I hear singing. The fuck is that?
Come here, take this. Oh.
God damn it, don't get me up.
He's coming, let's go!
Motherfucker!
God damn it. The lockpick.
Where's the crowbar?
I have it.
Do it on the thing.
What?
On the thing. Did you put the valve on?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. I can see it in your hand.
I know, it won't let me. It's just red. There's a valve, please.
Oh, wait. Try putting it down here, maybe?
Okay. Don't let me. Oh, there it goes. It
There you
finally
go.
let me. What the fuck? Yeah, I have
Crowbar.
to notice the crowbar. There we go.
Get me the fuck
me,
out of
me,
here,
good, me,
bruh. Fuck you.
We're so close.
I'm coming. How long does it fucking take?
Forever, bro. A big circle. How do we?
Yeah, it
Holy shit.
goes.
Holy
God
shit.
damn.
That one took us an hour and 57 minutes.
Oh my
my
god.
God.
That one took forever, bro. Alright, that's my last. I'm done, skis.